everybody, welcome back to TAZS's Wig Closet. Today we're going to take a look at a style that I have been wanting to review for years. I thought I had reviewed all of the Cafe collection by Belle Tress, but I didn't review this one yet. We're going to do that today. This is Belle Tress's WOOHLALA in the color Champagne with Apple Pie coming up. I've had WOOHLALA for a couple of months. I've been putting off the review to make room for some of the new releases, which I've taken priority. Now this one has been out of the box and on a wig stand. And when I first took it out of the box, I went ahead and inspected it. I placed it on my head, and these front pieces were literally in my face immediately. You know how I love that, right? Not. So what I did was I just sprayed it down with water and I put it on a wig stand. But before I did that, and while it was still damp, I placed 2 of these clips. Okay, I placed one here and here. I set it on the wig stand to dry. And so it's been sitting there for a while now. And when I released the clips, then you see a little bit of contour. But that helps me keep it out of my face while I'm trying to do a review for you. But just know that that is something that I did to this style. Otherwise, it's straight down. There's a forward movement on the fiber and it goes right in the face. So WOOHLALA is a short, straight, polished, graduated bob style, but it has a little bit of a slimmer profile, a graduated back, a little bit of a profile there. That front piece is about 9.5 inches. It's about 10.5 inches overall. It is made from that heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress in their Cafe collection and features a lace front and full single monofilament top. It weighs only 3 ounces. It's really lightweight on the head, guys. And you're going to really enjoy this natural density. It's a lower density style. There's no probable permatease at all on this one. So like I say, it does have that lower profile. A lot of styles that you see like this that are sort of classically designed and they have an abundance of permatease, this one does not. So if you compare it to a style like Jon Renau's Ignite, Ignite is a big, big style. It has a lot of permatease, a lot of lift, big sides, and this one is very slim against the head. This reminds me a lot of the new Henry Margou's Terra style, the Merit by Estetica, and I'm sure I'm going to be missing many more. But it has that lower density, lower profile on the sides, no poof on the sides. I'm really loving this application of Champagne with Apple Pie. It's a soft, neutral to warm, light blonde. You're going to see some warmer notes, some neutral, and a little bit of ash in the highlights there. All of that on a light brown root that is not too warm on this color. I've seen different application. This one seems to be a little more muted, softer, more powdery compared to some of the brassier tones. Let's get up close on this lace front and monofilament. It is a beautiful temple to temple lace front. It does not extend back into the ear tab. The fine knotting gives a nice natural look on that hairline, and they do intersperse that with some highlight color. And then you can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp, however you want to part it on the top. The only caution that I would give you with this full monofilament top is that right out of the box, it kind of tends to want to part a little bit left of center. And if you wanted to bring that over to the right, you could absolutely do that. But you're going to meet up with some resistance there because the root has been pressed into the opposite direction. Belle Tress styles are super friendly for glasses wearers. There's very little permatease, there's a nice light density, perfect for glasses. So So if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and that way we can continue to bring you the free resources that helps all of us in our wig journeys. We're just going to move this hair around a little bit so that you can see the density, the movement, some styling options and inspiration. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.